Here's an extremely interesting website you've probably never heard about, and it's called map checking. So basically what it does is it gives you, or well, it takes you, what it allows you to do, I should say, is if you just take a look at a place, right? For example, Place du Trocadéro, whatever, in France. And you want to estimate exactly how many people are on there, right? Well, if you're looking at a crowd, that's what it says. It's nearly impossible to estimate how many people are there. So if you decide to draw in a little bit, of how big this place would be, I'm just drawing a few dots in here, it gives you an idea of how many people probably are there, depending, of course, on the density, but it estimates about 9,000 people are there unless it's packed. And if it's fully packed, it could actually have as much as 30,000 people. But again, that depends. If it's normally crowded, though, it estimates about 15,000. For example, if you want to see how many people could be in the whole Eiffel Tower square, right? The whole freaking park, how many people could actually fit in there? If it's fully freaking packed, it might be able to fit like 2 million. If it's just very freaking crowded, 2.5 people per square meter, it's 900,000. And if you want to get an idea of what 2 people per square meter looks like, yeah, that's pretty packed, all right? Here's a different angle from that. That's again 2 people per square meter. So yeah, I don't know how packed would be then. But if you want to get a good idea to estimate for yourself, here's a full overview of the amount of people you want per square meter. For example, here we have as much as 6 people per square meter, and apparently that's called a high risk. It's not even that easy to see the difference between 4 people per square meter and 6 though. Both are pretty cramped. At 3.5 there is some air which you can see, and at 2.5 indeed it's crowded for sure, but not packed. But if you estimate the whole freaking square of the Eiffel Tower full with people, I think it's not going to be more than 1.5. Maximum 2, which would mean our estimate is not that crazy. But yeah, that's about